Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Yoo-Hoo. And today we're diving into a product that's perfect for the Aussie lifestyle. Especially love hitting the road, exploring Queensland, and enjoying the great outdoor. As you can see, I'm in beautiful Queensland at the moment and the sun's beating down. And I've got the Renogy 400W solar panel suitcase out today, as you can see behind me just here. In this video, I'll take you through everything you need to know about this incredible solar panel. Look at how it performs under the blazing Australian sun where I am at the moment, how it handles those overcast rainy days in Queensland, continue to get thrown at us, and how easy it is to set up and use on the road. Plus, we'll talk about the technology behind it, the durable design, and what you can actually run with all that power. So guys, let's jump straight into it. Now let me paint a picture for you. Imagine you're parked at a beautiful campsite on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland. Your camp is nestled in the shade of some eucalyptus trees to keep things cool. Of course, you need power, fridge, lights, and maybe even something to charge your phone. That's where the Renogy 400W solar suitcase panel shines, literally. When you unfold it, guys, you've got an impressive array of solar panels, as you can see here. Now, this soaks up the sun, and in Queensland's hot sunny days are perfect for getting the most out of this panel. Even in winter, there's a lot of sunshine. And even in the heat, this panel delivers between 340 and 360 watts of power on average. That's enough to keep your essentials running all day. But there's even more impressive. When the clouds roll in, or you're dealing with one of the Queensland sun and downpours, it performs admirably. On cloudy days, it can produce anywhere from 80 to 200 watts, which is more than enough to keep you going. And we've actually tested this out, guys, on rainy days, on cloudy days, and we found it worked well. But what we thought to do is do the review today when it's dazzling in the sunshine. Now, the Renogy 400W solar panel suitcase is built to last. And guys, you can tell by looking at it, the frame is made from lightweight aluminium, but don't let that fool you, it's tough as nails. The fiberglass backing and ETFE coating on the surface make it resistant to scratches, rain, and the harsh Aussie conditions. Whether you're on the beach, in the outback, or dealing with that salt spray near the coast, this panel is built to handle it all. And the great thing I like about it is its convenience. Literally, you put it into the solar panel, you pick it up, you take it there, open it up, and plug it in, and it starts working as well. So the panel unfolds neatly into 4 sections, making it easy to unfold. As you can see, it's just there. The kickstands also angle towards the back, allowing it to have the angle so you can see the sun. Now, this is crucial for getting the most power throughout the day, especially in winter, when the sun sits lower in the sky. Also, these kickstands could use a bit more adjustability to optimize the angles further, but they're solid and do the job well. Once you set it up, the solar panel stays in place, even on breezy days. Now, let's talk about the cables on the back, because this is where the technology really comes into play. The panel uses MC4 connectors, which are waterproof and industry standard. These cables run neatly between each of the 4 sections. And what I love about this design is how serviceable it is. If a cable ever gets damaged, you can easily replace it, unlike some panels that use fixed ribbon cable. This design adds to the durability and longevity of the panel. And if you can hear that, I've got some birdies running around at the back. Now, the Renogy 400W solar panel suitcase also has advanced solar cell technology. With 9 bars on each cell, this means it captures sunlight more efficiently, converting into usable energy even during less than ideal conditions. The technology here is all about maximizing power output, which is maximizing weight and bulk, which makes it perfect for portable use. In terms of what this panel can run, the possibilities are endless. With good sunlight, it's more than capable of powering a 12-volt fridge for the entire day, keeping your food fresh and drinks cold. You can charge your devices, laptops, phones, cameras, and run your lights or fans in the camper. If you're like me and enjoy a hot cup of coffee in the morning, can even power a small kettle for a quick brew. As you can see, it also looks quite good there. Because we go on campsites sometimes, not a lot of room, it's important to have good portability. This allows that to happen. Now, what about those unpredictable Queensland days when the weather turns bad? Well, thanks to its waterproof rating, IP67, you don't need to worry a bit about rain. The fiberglass surface and ETFE coating protects the panels, while the cables and connectors are designed to withstand the elements. When the sun comes back out, straight back to capturing energy. And we've had this out when we've had massive downpours of rain, and it's actually survived as well. So yeah, so I've got my hat on as well, guys. It's actually very sunny here today, coming towards the middle of the day. And while solar is good for charging panels, it's also good for damaging skin. You also need a charge controller to use the solar panel suitcase. You can either buy one from Renogy or get one yourself. A charging controller is essential for managing the energy flow from the panel to your power source, to your battery. Ensure you don't overcharge it. Once connected, it works effortlessly with 12 volt, 24 volt, 36 volt, or even 48 volt battery systems, making it one of the most versatile portable solar panels on the market. Now guys, let's talk about portability. This panel folds down into a compact size with magnetic closures and a sturdy handle for easy transportation. At just 30.6 kilos, it's lightweight, enough to carry and store. So my dad and my parents had no trouble carrying it around at all. You can even put it on the back seat if you want in the camper. And that's the thing with using campers when you're traveling around Australia, you need to make sure you've got plenty of room. It's also very durable as well and allows you to keep everything organized all in one packet. It's really good. Finally, guys, let's not forget about the warranty. Renogy backs this panel with a 5-year warranty, which is a testament to the quality, durability, and longevity. With proper care, this panel will last beyond that, making it a great investment for anyone looking to go off grid to reduce their reliance on traditional power sources. And again, you don't have to charge it directly into a motorhome. You can also charge it to a battery if you want. It's very, very flexible in regards to power sources. So, guys, as you can see, we've loved using this today. This is part of us going forward. And the problem with motorhomes is if you don't rely on a battery, you've got to be near a power source. This takes it away from you. So what's the verdict? The Renogy 400W Solar Panel Suitcase, standing piece of kit for anyone who loves traveling, camping, or just wants a reliable power source for their off-grid adventures. It's portable, durable, and delivers a consistent performance in a variety of conditions. Whether you're parked in full sun or dodging the rain in Queensland, this panel's up to the task. So guys, if you're interested in this panel, there are links in the description below to purchase one. And don't forget, we're doing a giveaway with over $4,000 worth of prizes. So be sure to check out that and enter. Anyway, let us know what you think of the Renogy solar panel, if you've used solar panel yourself, or if you like any other of our technology videos. Thanks for joining us here, Andy at Mr. You.